Hi, I'm Jackson, and my SRP project is about small fireworks such as poppets, party poppers, and I just want to learn about why they work in the way they do. So the importance of this video is firework safety and making sure no one gets hurt and they know the correct way to use it. But it also can be used as a do-it-yourself, as I'll show what what the contents are and how to make it look. So first we'll start off with the poppets, and the poppets are cigarette paper as shown, small little rocks or sand depending on what type you get, and then all of this is coated in silver fulminate, which is too small to see with the eye, but it's all over. And the rocks and sand act as a buffer for the mini shockwave explosion, and pretty much what that means is that when it's in this state, that it won't explode on itself and that it needs pressure. And this is why it's connected to chemistry. Silver fulminate, also known as AgCNO, is a highly explosive fulminic acid. And with this, it's highly combustible and it's sensitive to heat, shock, and pressure. Now, it can only be found in small amounts because it would spontaneously combust under the pressure of its own weight, so be careful. And then what causes the popping is when the coating of the two rocks grinds together and the pressure is released. And it would sound like this. Next is the party poppers, and the makeup of these is string, gunpowder, 2 discs, confetti, and of course the bell-shaped plastic. Now this is the inside of a party popper, and I'll go in more length than what this shows. So to start, the string is what starts the whole reaction, and it allows friction to occur, which will set off the gunpowder. Now for the gunpowder, it's very, very, very tiny amount, less than a milligram, and it's set up in a way to where when it's lit, the pressure will shoot in the same way that the confetti faces. The first disc is used to push and propel the confetti out, and the second disc will shoot out based off that pressure, and that's what lets you get the loud noise and the strings of plastic. Now this is why it's connected to chemistry. It all is based off gunpowder, which is 75% potassium nitrate, 15% charcoal, and 10% sulfide or sulfur. And when you burn any material, it will release heat and hot gas depending on their properties. And since gunpowder comes in a fine powder, a lot of it can be quickly burned, resulting in a lot of hot gas and heat all being released at once. All this energy forces the gunpowder outward, further igniting more of it and causing the chain reaction explosion. And this is another graphic that will show more information. So the reason why the loud bang is heard is because a rapid expansion of pressure within the popper itself creates an audible bang. And the reason it's shaped as a bell is because it allows the pressure to build uniformly so that one thing won't be exploding faster than the other, pretty much. And the blast, like after you do it, you can sometimes smell like a smoke or some stuff like that, and that's because the heat energy is still burning the paper or burning a little bit of gunpowder left, and that's the reaction. And I'm thankful for your time, and if you have any questions, just ask.